For these questions, we need to subtract a decimal number with tenths from a whole number. So first, we have 9 minus 5.4. It's important to understand that the digit before the decimal point is the ones digit and the digit after is the tenth. So we can write this out as a column subtraction. 9 minus 5.4 can be written out with the 5 ones underneath the 9 ones. But now 9 is the same as 9.0. You can always write 0.0 on the end of a whole number because all 0.0 tells you is that you don't have any tenths. So now we've got our ones and tenths columns lined up, we've got our decimal points lined up, so we can copy the decimal point down into our answer, and I like to do this first so that I don't forget. And now we can solve this using column subtraction. So we work from right to left, and to start with we have 0 minus 4. We can't do that using the column method, so we go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front, 10 minus 4 is 6, and 8 minus 5 is 3, so our answer is 3.6. Now we have 5 minus 0.1, so we can set this out as a column subtraction, making sure the 0 ones that we're subtracting is written underneath the 5 ones that we start with. Now 5 is the same as 5.0. So now our decimal points are lined up, our ones and tenths columns are lined up, so we can copy the decimal point down into our answer and now subtract using column subtraction. We can't do 0 minus 1, so we go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front, 10 minus 1 is 9, and 4 minus 0 is 4, so our answer is 4.9. So let's show what we did here. We started with 9 and we needed to subtract 5.4. But to subtract 4 tenths, we first needed to change one of our wholes into tenths. That meant that we had 8 ones and 10 tenths, so we could subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 tenths to give us 6 tenths in our answer. Then we had 8 ones and we were subtracting 5, so if we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that leaves us with 3 ones and 6 tenths, so 3.6. Now for this question, we started with 5 ones and we were taking away 1 tenth. But to do that, we needed to exchange one of our ones for 10 tenths. That meant we only had 4 ones, but with 10 tenths, we could subtract 1 tenth to get 9 tenths, and we weren't subtracting any wholes or any ones, so our answer was 4.9. We could also show what we did using place value counters. So for this first question, we started with 9 ones. First, we needed to take away 4 tenths, but to do that, we needed to exchange one of our wholes for 10 tenths. So then, we only had 8 ones, but with 10 tenths, we could subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 to get 6 tenths in our answer. Then, we moved on to the ones column and did 8 minus 5. So if we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, that leaves us with 3 ones and 6 tenths, so 3.6. And for this question, we started with 5 and needed to take away 0.1 or 1 tenth. To do that, we needed to exchange one of our ones for 10 tenths, so then we could subtract one of those tenths to get 4 ones and 9 tenths, or 4.9 as our answer. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.